Oh my goodness. Kit Kat, you are in such big trouble. He got into the refrigerator and opened up the blueberries, and now it's like a blueberry explosion all over my kitchen floor. Kit Kat, what do you have to say for yourself? Like, no. You are the biggest little mischievous little thing ever. Oh my goodness. Hello, Sunday. Oh my goodness. Like, you are getting locked up in the bathroom while I finish cleaning out the refrigerator. Look, you're going back for seconds. No, sir. No, sir. Absolutely not. No.